So next on the list is to fillet these corners, is to round these edges, smooth round edges. Now this curvature is 0.38, and that is what you need right now. So shortcut for fillet. Fillet is somewhere here. This hatch is fillet. It's fillet. This is fillet here. This chamfer. This is fillet. So I can try this first and then pick this point and pick this point. Nothing happens. That is because I didn't choose this diameter to fillet it in. So what I'm meant to do is go fillet, which is F, enter, then you put in the radius, which is 0.38, enter, and you pick this line and this line, this line and this line. Oops, there's a problem somewhere. Okay, it's good I'm having a problem. I'm not perfect also, and you guys will have problems too, but the problems can be overcome. We overcome all our problems. Yes, so fillet, enter, then you go the radius, enter, then you put in 0.38, enter, and click this line and click this line. That is it. So it's wonderful. It feels good. Then this side too, the same thing. Fillet, object, radius. Now the radius, the previous radius will still be there. If you look at this point here on your drawing, the radius will remain there. So you don't need to be putting the radius every time. You just come, click here, and it curves. Fillet, click here, and click here, it curves. Last one, fillet, you click here, and it curves. Amazing, man.